Hello, it's me again, Renee here. Just now I give you a tour on our different laser saws, fiber laser welding machine. As you can see, this overview factory, alright? And you can see from my right hand to my left hand, we have total 6 pieces demos listed here for demonstration. Alright, they are equipped with different brand and different capacity laser saws, okay, from Rakers to Max to DW, okay, whatever you need, we are here to make it happen. Alright, just let us know what kind of brand you need, what kind of capacity you need. What is your budget? What is your preference? And what is your workload? Alright, we will customize your need to our product. Okay, as you can see here, all the laser machine listed here, and we have even more stored in our warehouse. Alright, our production capacity on monthly basis is 1,000 pieces per month. Alright, let's say you need more than just one, no problem. Okay, we have ready for you. And all our laser welding machine, they are on the status ready to go, ready to ship. Okay, if you can make the payment today, we will ship it out tomorrow. Okay, we will get them as fast as you can imagine. Alright, and when you have needs, please let us know. Our sales agent is at your service 24/7. Okay, call us, email us, or leave us a note or message. We will get back to you before you know it.